good morning.
Hello.
This is the speaking test level of 1 organized by Impel IT, taking place on 8 February 2025. And the candidate is Ayman Alifa and the examiner is Imam Hussain. In this level, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself and your family. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your full name?
My full name is Ayman Alifa.
What should I call you?
You can call me Alifa.
Okay, Alifa. Where are you from?
I am from Poti.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Imam Hussain.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Muminata.
What does she do?
She is a woman.
Do you love your parents?
Yes, I love my parents.
Who loves you most?
My father's love me more.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Imam Hussain.
Okay, please tell 3 lines about this picture.
It is an apple. The color of the apple is red. It's big.
Okay, really good. Thanks for your performance, everyone.